What's good, Grizzly Squad? All right, it is another day, y'all. Shout out to all the Grizzly gang. Shout out to everybody, man. Hey, you see how much snow it is out here, bro? I'm not driving Black Beauty, but about to drive Blue Girl. I got to do some errands. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. About to go pick up some things that I bought for Black Beauty. You know, Black Beauty, she's sitting right here. I'm not gonna touch her at all. Gonna let the snow melt off her. I don't want no salt underneath. You know, I don't want none of that stuff, y'all. So like, this is like my sports car. I'm gonna treat it like my sports car too. But don't she look good? She got the sickles on her and stuff like that. I can't wait to get a garage. Hopefully this is the last time she will see the snow. Hopefully I get a garage soon. So that's the plan, y'all. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day. And if y'all are new to the channel, man, I have a Chrysler 300 and I have a Mazda 3. I'm about to mod up both of them, man. But my Chrysler 300 is part of is my main thing of the channel, you know. So y'all go check out all my old videos, all my videos that's coming up too. And go ahead and hit that like button and go ahead and hit that bell, so every time I post something you'll be notified. All right, so we about to go head up today. Like I said to everybody, I'm about to go pick up the 300 gang stickers, man. Okay, the colors are blue, the colors are yellow, the colors are green, red, and orange. All right, I have 5 of each to start off to see how they will sell out. So y'all go ahead and tell me what color y'all want, but I'm gonna tell y'all the details of what you have to do to get the sticker. So let's go. Do you see what I got? Ooh, you see the yellow? Let me show y'all though. Okay, that's the red. That's the yellow. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That's the red. That's the blue. The blue look good. I don't know. I might change my color. That's the orange. That's the one I got. And the green. We got 5 of each. Depending on how these sell out, depending on how many I will get next time, you know. So this is a starter. All right. I think this dude in a Mazda 3 want to race. Look. He trying to race me. You see? It'd be even. When his light go, I'm gonna go. When his light go, I'm about to go. Let's see if he do it. This Mazda 3 ready. Oh, he ready. My car was spinning. Hey, Mazda going strong. I left him in the dust, man. Yeah, don't blame me, cuz Mazda 3 gang all day. You can probably want to do it again. Let's see. All these check engine lights on. I gotta fix this jerk, man. Hey, man, life of a YouTuber. Something's always wrong, but you make things good. Got him from the punch again. He punched it this time too. I'm going though. I'll see you later, bro. Don't play my Mazda, bro. I got the fastest Mazda ever, man. Right now. Well, Mazda, regular Mazda without the speed. Come on, bro. And I got a check engine light on. Don't play with me, man. It's probably something simple though. Yeah, that looks good. It look way better in person. It look good on the picture too.
Yeah, it's hard to see it.
Like, yeah.
Well,
once you put it on the car, you'll see it. You'll be like, oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, I don't have any double-sided sticky tape either.
Oh yeah, I think my friend, he got it. Okay. So you don't got to worry about that. That was cool. So how'd you? Yup, it is the next day, y'all. So it's been a few days. You see, ain't no snow on the ground. So y'all, what's good, y'all? Oh, what's up? It's your boy Grizzly Marty. What's good? I'm just changing up, man. That's kind of funny. I thought of that on a dome, but y'all. All right, so So what I'm trying to say now is that now I'm about to be doing this. Let me just go ahead and show y'all. So I'm gonna just talk behind the lens real quick. As you see, we have the stickers. We have it in orange, we have it in yellow, we have it in blue, we have it in green, and we have it in red. So I have 5 stickers of each. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. That's 25 stickers, y'all. So I only have 25 stickers. All right, so this is just the beginning. Depending on how this goes, I will be getting more stickers for you guys, for my 300 gang. So if you follow me on IG, I'll put my IG right here. It's pretty much, it's Grizzly Marty. It's just like my YouTube up there, but it's Grizzly Marty, you know. So it's lowercase, but it's not capitalized like that. So it's lowercase Grizzly Marty. So hit me up and DM me and actually tell me the color what you want when you hit me in the DMs, and then if I respond to you, that means that we have the color left, because this is first come serve. All right, first come serve. So don't get salty, you know, if you don't get the sticker. Okay, I only have 5 of the color just to start off, but as I get better at this, I will be making more stickers and stuff like that. All right, I got a plug. She can make the stickers for me, man. So shout out. So what I said is, hit me up on Grizzly Marty IG. Okay, that's step number 1. And you have to be subscribed. You have to follow me on IG. Okay, you have to follow. Hit that follow button on IG. DM me. Let me know the color that you need in the 300 gang, and then I will respond to you. Okay, everything, all the information of what you need to do. All right, so go ahead, y'all. Get your stickers. All right, y'all. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all the stickers, and because I got the stickers, bro. But it wouldn't be a video if I didn't start up Black Beauty. I know it's gonna be the end of the video because I already did some stuff. What I did, I picked up some things. It was snow out here the first time y'all see me and everything. And yeah, I drove Black Beauty just a little. I drove her yesterday, and it was some rain on the floor and stuff like that. And yeah, look, she got the white stuff on her. So you already know I gotta go get her washed and things like that. And it looked like it's gonna snow even more. Like it's gonna snow even more this week. Right now it's pretty what of a warm day, but let me go ahead and get this started off. And it's gonna snow and it's gonna suck, and yeah, I'm not gonna be driving Black Beauty in the snow. It's a little bit windy today. It's not too crazy though. But yeah, go ahead, y'all. DM me. This video will be out at 6 o'clock. I will be looking. Hold on. Alright, yeah, Grizzly gang. So y'all, yeah, the Super Bowl is done, everything. So y'all already know the Super Bowl is done. Hey, shout out to the Buccaneers. Shout out to the GOAT, man, Tom Brady, bro. He got 7 rings now. Hey, we seen it. If you were a 90s baby, you seen it all through. You seen all his 7 rings. So that's crazy. That's crazy to say. That's a crazy thing. So like when you go like down the line, like you can tell your kids, your grandkids, like, hey, I seen this. So that's gonna be cool to say. And hey, Mahomes, he wasn't having a good game. It was crazy. He wasn't really there. But as you see, you got my Broncos stuff because we was champions 5 years ago. It doesn't matter, but I got to see my team, win the Super Bowl. And we're gonna have more Super Bowls, y'all. So thank you everybody for subscribing to the channel. Hey man, shout out to y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day for y'all. And y'all, don't forget, get your 300 gang stickers, man. Get them ASAP, because I'm coming out with these things all the time. And if you got the stickers, man, I'm gonna keep on going. Oh man, look, somebody gonna try to take my parking spot. Bums. All right, they're gonna try to take this thing too. All right, y'all, I'll see y'all on the next one, y'all. Hey, I got these videos coming out today. If the snow don't stop me, I'm always gonna have these videos, man. Peace.